Hello everyone, welcome back in my class. In last video, I taught you sounds and movements in animals, also learned habitats of animals. Now, in this video, we will do some activities related to this chapter. Let's see.
See here, what is there? Here are some incomplete pictures of animals. Complete them and write their names. You have to draw these animals and write their name. Guess the first picture. I think it's a dog. Dog, some body parts are left. So you have to draw these body parts. You draw the leg and tail of the dog. Second is fish. In fish, which body parts are left? Yes, eye and tail are left. So you have to draw tail and eye. Now, third is cockroach. In cockroach, which body parts are left? Yes, legs and antenna are left. So you have to draw legs and antenna. Now next, find name in the crossword and put a circle around it. One example is given to you. Now, first is banana is what I love eating. I spend my time jumping and leaping. Who am I? Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. So you have to circle around it. But here already given. Now second, on the walls, webs I weave where insects stick and cannot leave. Who am I? Spider. So you have to circle around it. Third, I remain awake the whole night and go to sleep in broad daylight. Who am I? Owl. So you have to circle around it. Fourth, croak, croak, croak is my sound. In water or on land, I am found. Who am I? Frog. F-R-O-G, frog. So you have to circle around it. Fifth, I appear after rainfall, have no feet, so I crawl. Who am I? Snail. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. So you have to circle around it. Six, slow and steady is my pace. I live on land and in water. Who am I? Yes, tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E. Tortoise. So you have to circle around it. Now See on page number 7. Magic with fingers. Look at the picture. Can you distinguish the thumbprints from the other fingerprints? Yes, in the same way, using ink or watercolors, make pictures of animals. Make pictures using your own imagination. Do not copy the ones shown above. Here, you do it by yourself. Now turn your page. Let us have some fun. In your notebook, draw a picture of an animal that you have seen. It's a group activity, but it's not possible, so you do it yourself. First of all, you will take a white paper and fold this paper in 3 parts. In first step, you will draw the face and neck of an animal at the top of the paper and hide it by folding this part. Show here. Now, second step, you will draw the body of another animal in the center of the paper and hide it by folding the paper. Show here. And in last step, you will draw the feet of another animal. So here. Now unfold the paper and look at the picture. Oh, what a funny animal! Does it not look like a funny animal? Yes, it's a funny animal. Now see on page number 9. Now it's time to observe nature. You spend some time under a tree and observe the animals carefully. Here I observe some animals. So name the animals which can be seen. First, animals on the trunk. Ant, termite, beetle, so many. Write down in first box. ANT, ant. Second, TERMITE, termite. TERMITE, termite. Third, BEETLE, beetle. BEETLE, beetle. Animals on the ground. Dog, elephant, earthworm, lion, so many. But here, write down in first. DOG, dog. Next, ELEPHANT, elephant. Third, EARTHWORM, earthworm. Now, animals on the branches. Monkey, sparrow, crow, pigeon, parrot. So many animals are on the branches. But here, write down in first box. MONKEY, monkey. Next, SPARROW, sparrow. Third, CROW, crow. Next, animals on the leaves. Butterfly, caterpillar, grasshopper, and so many. But here you have to write in first box BUTTERFLY, butterfly. Next, CATERPILLAR, caterpillar. GRASSHOPPER, grasshopper. Next, animals around the tree. Cow, dog, cat, buffalo, goat, sheep. So many animals around the tree. But write down here COW, cow. DOG, dog. CAT, cat. Now, animals at other places. Frog, snail, rabbit, and so many animals. Write down in the first box FROG, frog. SNAIL, snail. RABBIT, rabbit. Now, arrange these animals in the order of their size, smallest being the first. Here, ant is smaller. Then caterpillar is smaller than grasshopper. Grasshopper is smaller than sparrow. Sparrow is smaller than crow. Crow is smaller than rabbit. Rabbit is smaller than dog. Dog is smaller than cow. Cow is smaller than elephant. Now turn your page. Jigsaw puzzle. In a jigsaw puzzle, cut the picture given on fun page 1. Page number is 169. Cut the picture of fun page 1 and paste it on the drawing paper and cut this drawing paper unevenly. Now arrange all the parts together and identify the animal. Oh, it's a peacock. So, here our first chapter is completed. I will send you PDF file of notes you have to write down in your fair notebook of science. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day.